Welcome back, my beautiful royals, to another video. And hi, if you're new, my name is Royalty, and today we're getting into this rainbow glam right here. She is real cute, real ready. If you want to see this tutorial, then please continue watching. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start by stamping the purple from my Zulu palette. Next, I'm going to take the pink from the Zulu palette just to blend this out. Next, I'm going to take the yellow from my Zulu palette and I'm going to blend out everything that I have on my crease right now. I'm going to go back in with the pink just because I feel like the yellow is a little powerful over here. And now I'm gonna cut my crease, and I'm doing kind of like I wouldn't call it a full or half cut crease because it comes all the way to the end of my eye, but I don't make that, that shape people make when they make it a full cut crease. So you just want to make this shape and then fill it in. Now that we've cut our crease, we're going to start making our rainbow. And for the rainbow, I think I used all the colors except for yellow in this Karity matte palette. First, I'm going in with the red shade called NSFW, and we're going to start out our blending. So let me tell you which colors I'm going to be using because I don't want to take a break in between. I'm going to be using this NSFW, this green right here, this purple called Ego, and the yellow is going to be from my Zulu palettes. So real quick guys, when you're doing this part, make sure that you don't take your colors all the way up onto the ends of the crease. We want to leave a little space so we can draw this glitter line that, because of my half cut crease, you can barely see, but we want to draw this glitter line, so we're going to leave a little bit of room for that. Okay guys, so for our final step, we are going to use our glitter gold liner and just fill in the space that remains. Alright you guys, so I'm going to start by stamping this purple from my Zulu palette underneath my eye. Next, I'm going to blend the pink, and lastly, I'm going to blend it out with the yellow. Okay guys, so that is it for today's tutorial. I really had a lot of fun doing this, and real quick, I'm going to tell you guys what's missing from this video. So obviously I didn't show my base, but next week I'm putting out a video dedicated just to my base so you guys know what I do in that time. Also for my bronzer, I used the Black Radiance bronzer in Black Coffee, and I went in with my orange color from my Zulu palettes as blush, and I really love it, you guys. It's really a game changer for me because it really just warms up my face and like puts it all together. I really like it. And I also highlighted with my Profusion palette. This palette right here, my friend got me. I highlighted it with this shade right here. It looks kind of like pink in the palette, but when I put it on my face, it's like really gold, which I was fine with because it matched my glitter gold liner. And lastly, I went in with my lashes from the Luxury Cosmetics, and this is in the style Barbie. If you would like to get this lash, you can use my code Royalti for 15% off. And yeah, I will see you guys next week. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's on the screen. It's also like below you, like below me. So do not forget to hit that subscribe button. My goal is to get to 500 subscribers by April 12th, which is my birthday. So, you know, if you guys want to help your girl out, then that'd be really cool. Thank you guys, and I will see you next week.